Fighters from Ben 10 Alien Swarm are back. They have been evolved and upgraded for a long time. Last time it was Eon. He made his first appearance on Ben 10 Ultimate Alien. If they decided to turn fighters that were from that show, from that movie canon, why not do the same thing with the sequel? Well, that's what they did. The second time, it was with Elena. That's what we're drawing tonight. You remember the Nanite Queen? Well, turns out, that one was a fake. This is the real Nanite Queen. Tonight we're gonna draw Elena from Ben 10 Ultimate Alien. That's who we're drawing. I know what you're asking. Why does she look like this? Well, that's easy. Some of the nanite chips that her father created managed to take up space inside of her consciousness, so that the ones that were controlling all those citizens would be sacrificed. Elena created this queen to mislead him. At first, Tennyson thought that the chips were controlling her, but it turns out they are her. They kind of give her her deepest desires. Of course, they give her everything that she desires. Like, she can create Ben's car, and, well, she can create replications of her father. Well, to be honest, I never thought that Elena would turn into something like this. I didn't think she would become infected. I knew she was infected with the virus that... I didn't know the nanites were a virus. And to be honest, the original Nanite Queen from Ben 10 Alien Swarm, it was kind of... It kind of freaked me out. I found this action figure on automate.com, and it was really scary. It really freaked me out. Alexa, play it again.
I'll repeat the song.
I haven't really forgotten about her. I never thought that Elena would be the real queen. Eventually, well, actually, this was the only episode that I saw Elena in. I knew that Elena had some good in her. And for starters, she sacrificed herself. That was the last we saw of Elena. She sacrificed herself in order to stop the nanites from escaping and from controlling her. One thing about Elena, her arms can turn into blaster cannons that fire the chips, and claws. Well, Revenge of the Swarm was the only episode where we saw Nanites Elena in, or was it? After the crew left, some of the chips managed to put themselves together, and well, basically, something tells me that Elena is still alive. Will she ever make a return? I feel like she should come back. Elena is kind of one of the protagonists for Ben 10 Alien Swarm. It would be best if Elena were to come back as a good guy. Anyway, that is how you draw Elena from Ben 10 Ultimate Alien. Something tells me this isn't the last we've seen of her. I promise, maybe we'll get the chance to see her again soon. Maybe in the movie? Nah, it's unpredictable. I'm sure we'll see her soon. That's all for now, guys. Stegosaurus, see you later.